Yeah, I always like to be in the tapeats and get reminded about the Cambrian explosion of diversity of life on Earth. If we had been here at the time, we've been on a beach near sea level or at sea level, and animal life would have been becoming extremely diverse over a short time. We're 520 million years old here, and as we go up through the layers, life is the rock record shows that life changed form gradually but continuously toward where we are today with humans and a great diversity of other life on Earth.